So hi everyone, continuing the previous video in which we were discussing about what is marketing and what are the different aspects in marketing, what is the process of marketing. So in this video we'll be discussing about marketing management concepts, the different concepts in marketing management, which is also known as marketing management philosophies. So in this video we'll be discussing what are the different concepts in marketing, and we will be covering some other concepts, and we'll try to complete the basics of marketing in this video. So the first concept in marketing is known as the production concepts. So what this concept focuses about, the concept focuses is that the consumers favor products that are available and are highly affordable and improve production and distribution. So again I'm telling you, through this topic questions come in the exams, like the question will come in which concepts consumers favor the products that are available and highly affordable. So it will be production concept. Okay, so the next concept is the product concept. In product concepts, the consumers, they favor the products that offer most quality, performance and innovative features. So if we discuss about the production concept and product concept के केस में the emphasis is on the production of the products. Okay, like if we will improve the production and distribution, then the consumers will favor the product, or the consumer will readily buy the product. Okay, and the philosophy is, or the thinking is, that consumers will only buy the products which are highly affordable. And how we can have affordability in case of this case can be achieved through one important thing, which is known as economies of scale. So through economies of scale, if we increase the production levels, then what we are going to be doing is that we will be able to make affordable products. So this is the basic ideology or the philosophy in this marketing concepts. So what happened in product concept is, product concept के case में the ideology changed, the focus changed from production to the product के ऊपर जो है ज़्यादा focus आ गया. इसमें product के ऊपर focus आ जाता है that if we make good quality products, if we make need satisfying products, the performance of the product is good, then the consumer will favor our product. Okay, the third concept is the selling concept. In this concept, the focus is on what? The focus is on promotion and sales. So in this concept, the focus is on the sales and the focus is on the promotion. Okay, the main focus is on the sales of the product. Okay, sales of the product is the main focus. The next concept is the marketing concept. In marketing concept, the ideology changed. Selling concept में the only and the prime focus was on sales. The prime focus was sales. Okay, where in case of marketing concept, the prime focus is on customer satisfaction. Okay, so customer satisfaction is the prime focus. And the last concept is the societal marketing concept. In case of societal marketing, the focus is on what? Delivering the need satisfying products to the customer, as well as the focus is on the welfare of the society. So society welfare is an important concept in case of societal marketing concept. Okay, so if we talk about that, what are the differences? What is the difference? The difference between the sales concept and marketing concept. So what is the difference between the sales concept and marketing concept? So the difference between the sales concept and marketing concept is that in case of the selling concept, the focus is on what? The focus is on selling and the focus is on promoting of the product. And profit is through what? The profit in case of selling concept is through increased sales. But in case of the marketing concept, the focus is on what? focus is on customer needs. So customer needs becomes the key area. Customer की needs को focus करना is what the key area, and the profit is through the customer satisfaction. So इस case में profit is through customer satisfaction. And in case of your selling concept, the focus is on the existing products. In case of the marketing concept, the focus is on the customer needs. Okay, and how the profit is maintained? The profit is earned through the sales, and in this case the profit is earned through customer satisfaction. The next concept that comes is the societal marketing concept. In case of societal marketing concept, as I have already told you, that the societal marketing concept basically focuses on what? The societal marketing concept focuses on the satisfaction of the customer's needs and wants along with the society's welfare. Okay, so in case of the societal marketing concept, the starting point of societal marketing concept is also what? The starting point of societal marketing concept is market and society. So here the society plays an important role. Okay, and how we are going to achieve it? What happens? Like, what is the focus area? The focus area in case of societal marketing concept is satisfaction. Customer satisfaction तो है ही focus area. Satisfaction of customers along with the society's well-being. Okay, and through the profit is also through the society's well-being. Okay, so this is the societal marketing concept. Now there are some new marketing challenges that are coming, like non-for-profit marketing, globalization, changing world economy, ethical concerns are there, new marketing landscape, and the evolution and the the disruption of information technology. So these are some of the emerging challenges in marketing. Okay, like globalization is one a challenge. It has opened what? It has opened opportunities. Along with it is a challenge also. Okay, so globalization is challenge. Non-profit market is a challenge. Changes the dynamic environment, the dynamic business environment is again a, you can say, a challenge in marketing. So these are some of the marketing challenges. So in the next video we will be discussing about the marketing mix. So stay tuned and stay connected, and happy learning.